Hello everybody, Mrs. Tomita here. Today in art class, we learned about the contemporary Brazilian artist Romero Britto. And we looked at this landscape that was painted by Romero Britto. We are going to use this landscape painting as the inspiration for our artwork today. So watch the instructions and follow along to make your own landscape drawing inspired by Romero Britto. So the first thing you'll need to do is grab your sketchbook. And with your sketchbook, go ahead and turn it sideways. Landscapes are almost always created long ways. So we're going to start by drawing hills. And I like to start on the bottom half of the paper by drawing a rainbow. Then, instead of starting from the bottom, I start from almost just a little bit to the side of my last rainbow and add a second, and then a third to go off the page. And there are our hills. Next, I will add a sun just by adding another rainbow or like a half circle shape just above the hills. And now I'm going to draw a few lines that go from the edge of the sun all the way to the edge of the page. Don't draw too many though, because we're going to end up filling each space with pattern, and you don't want to end up having to fill in a ton of little tiny spaces. So now I'm going to start filling in patterns. In each of those, we'll call them sun rays, and also in each of my hills. You can use some of the patterns that you practiced last week. You could use some of my examples here, or you could make some totally new ones up. Either way, just try your best to use as many different patterns as you can, and only repeat if you really, really need to. And as you can see, I'm using Sharpie, but that's just so you can see my lines really well in the video. You should just use pencil for now, and don't color in today. Have fun, everybody!